So guys, magluto tayo ng potato at saka green beans. Stir fry lang natin guys, tapos steak. Ayan guys, luto na guys. So ayan guys, luto na guys. Thank you for watching guys. So, ayan na guys, luto na. Ang hirap maghawak ng camera. So, ayan na guys, luto na guys. So, thank you for watching guys. So, guys, ayan na guys, luto na yung ating potato, green beans, at saka beef steak. Ayan guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Let's eat.